Hello. Today we are going to talk about Canva for digital products and course branding. So, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital asset that sells and elevates your course identity. So, why digital product matters? Passive income. Digital products create ongoing revenue stream for you. Easy distribution, simple to create and share with your audience. Build authority, grow your audience, and establishes expertise. Simplify designs, and Canva streamlines the entire design process for you. Now, designing lead magnets and every other thing, you know, what is lead magnet itself? Lead magnets are things like ebook, checklist, workbook, etc. It helps. The purpose is to attract and collect leads. Best practice when designing all this is to use a clear title and benefits, engaging cover designs, branded fonts and color. Canva template is equal to professional looks in minutes. Even AI can't stand Canva for now. So course banner and thumbnails. When it comes to Canva, you can actually create course banners for platforms like Teachable, Hijabi, Seller, Mainstack, and Nigerian platforms, foreign platforms. You can also use it for YouTube thumbnails, consistent lesson thumbnails for professional appearance, premium look, bold text, and engaging images. Designing PDFs templates, lesson, you can use it to create PDF template like lesson worksheets, workbooks, checklists, and magic templates. You can also use Canva for mockups and previews. Canva Smart Mockup Features is a new feature that showcases ebook on devices. You know, it can also showcase your course preview and build trust and boost perceived value. Ebook mockup on tablets, just like we showed you there. So that is an example of what mockup is. So building a cohesive course identity, slide, consistent presentation design, just like this, PDF, branded worksheets, social media, marketing materials, everything are all consistent, the coloring and the design. Banner platforms, you also have to have have to have a very nice banner for your course just to make your course feel very premium, authoritative, and students take branded course more seriously than random courses. So, what you need to do right now is to create a simple lead magnet with Canva, turn it into a PDF or a mockup, then use the same brand color across all materials. Wrap up. Let's get into the next thing is to create you just need to understand that Canva helps you to create a professional digital product quickly. We are going to even show you that. Then higher sales, branded courses equal to authority plus trust plus increased revenue. So in the next video, we are going to be talking about the advanced hack on Canva, how you can actually, use Canva to do more advanced stuff. So let's get down into business again.